Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel JDP Documentary. Today I am here to teach you about the new policy YouTube has published. Yeah, from now going, if you start seeing an ad or advert being put in on your video, you shouldn't worry at all. Though you don't meet the basic requirement, that's the YouTube initial requirement, 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. Though you don't have it yet, but you start seeing some ad putting on your video. It's a good thing. Though monetization will not come to you, they will not pay you for that. Unlike the previous time, if you create content that does not belong to you, either you be penalized or struck down. But this time around, if you create content and it seems some of the contents are not yours, you don't have the right, YouTube will not penalize you. Rather, they will start showing some advert on your video, or the content owner will instruct the YouTube people to put some ad on your video, and then monetization goes to the owner. You understand? Yeah, you will not be paid. Rather, the payment will go to the owner of that original content. That's the new policy YouTube has published. So from now going, if you start seeing some ad putting on your video, you shouldn't worry at all. It's a good thing. YouTube is trying to tell you that you should try to create content on your own so that monetization will come to you direct. You understand? So it's a good thing. And secondly, you should be very observant. The kind of advert that you be seeing on your project would determine the kind of content you should create. You understand? Yes, sometimes they will bring in some ad about banking, transfer, donation, smartphone, and other electronic gadgets. You understand? You should be very careful, because it tells you that this particular brand, they need this kind of content from you. They're expecting this kind of content from you so that they can promote their ad on that particular channel. So it's a good thing if you start seeing ad putting on your video. You understand? It's a good thing, so don't worry at all. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new content, you'll be the first person to get it. My name is Samuakohini Steven. You can simply call me Jeho. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.